this video is for school purposes only. That I discussed the requirements to be complied by ship under MARPOL Annex 4, 5, and 6. That focusing on sewage, garbage, and air pollution. The first is the MARPOL Annex 4. MARPOL Annex 4 is a crucial step for protecting marine environment from sewage from ships. The International Convention from the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, or MARPOL, is a landmark international treaty designed to minimize the environmental impact of shipping activities. Among its 6 annexes, the MARPOL Annex 4 hold a significant position, specifically addressing the prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. The MARPOL Annex 4 mandates sewage treatment and disposal standards for ships over 400 gross tonnage or those under 400 gross tonnage and carrying more than 15 people. Then the care requirements include installing sewage treatment plant or STPs with holding tanks and shore connection. The discharge of untreated sewage is generally prohibited. The exemption exists for comminuted and disinfected sewage beyond 3 nautical miles and the untreated sewage beyond 12 nautical miles from land. The restricted regulation apply in designated special areas. The ship must be undergo initial and must be in periodic survey and maintain sewage management plan, keep detailed record, and carry a valid International Sewage Pollution Prevention Certificate or ICPP. Through its comprehensive requirements concerning equipments and discharge restriction and certification processes, the MARPOL Annex 4 play a vital role for protecting marine ecosystem and ensuring the sustainability of shipping industry. Continuous to enforcement and adherence to this regulation are essential for maintaining the health of our ocean and to preserving the delicate balance of marine life.